Welcome back to Comeback Mondays, where we catch up with all of the latest comebacks in K-pop. This is our way of keeping up with some of the newest music videos and giving our thoughts and reactions in one video.
But which comeback will rule the week? Stay tuned to find out. As always, if you like what you see, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more so you don't miss any of it. On this Comeback Monday, we have 4 videos for you. 4! From Nona, Honk, and KARD, Back to Life, Hyolyn, Check, and a new group, Alice Syndrome.
I've heard about Alice Syndrome. You guys have mentioned it a few times here and there, and I've had it in the list, but we never got around to it. How long is this a recent comeback?
This was released 8 days ago.
8 days ago. Okay. All right. They're a rock band.
Yes.
So that's going to be
From
interesting.
what I see in the thumbnails.
Yes. Okay.
But it's time to start with our Indonesian cousins, Chrissy, Baila, Shaz, and Esther.
I'm also excited for KARD. We haven't done KARD in so long.
Correct. Is that their jitney?
Sounds like a jeepney.
Look at me, look at her, pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, posted, buckle up out of here. If we in the backseat,
Hey.
we turn it up, yeah. Get in the
I miss
taxi,
Shaz's dance like solos.
Get on the Honk.
Ooh.
Wow.
Get on the Honk. Get on the Honk.
Hold on! I wish I could pause. That spin move was crazy.
Got that junk in the trunk and
The-
we make it bounce.
Whoa.
My itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face, and I always got my way. Bumping that bass, and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. Nona on your license plate. Kaka out there, jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day.
Ooh.
Get on the Honk.
Get on the what?
Get on the honk something? Honk car?
Get on the Honk. Get on the Honk.
I can't tell.
Beep beep! Was that a pre-release?
What is
Yeah,
that
it's-
from?
No, it's definitely one of those like
Like nursery rhymes?
sort of, yeah.
Is
It
that-
does sound familiar.
It's not what I'm really used to, or it's not what we're used to when it comes to Nona. They're a little bit more ethereal and, like,
Vocal heavy.
Yeah.
This feels like a pre-release.
It could be a
It's only
pre-release.
2 minutes and 15 seconds, which is disappointing.
I don't know what they were saying. Get on the what?
It's probably Indonesian.
You're the
for
language
bus.
guy. Let's search it up. I guess it means public transportation, which
Yeah.
is like get on the bus.
Exactly. Well, they had the buses on there too, so I guess it makes sense. Still, it was a catchy song. It's not a bad song, but like these like little over 2 minute songs is not doing enough for me. I need some more substance. in
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
I did. It was a very catchy song, but I need more from Nona. Okay, this is KARD, Back to Life.
Ooh, it's been a while.
If you lose your way, 돌아오지 마. I'ma wake up, I'ma be there for you 24/7. 외롭지 않게, let me dry your eyes. I'll never leave you, you never leave me.
Oh goodness, Somin.
Lean on me, there for you. Wherever you go, I'ma follow. 깊은 이 밤을 지켜줄게. Never solo. Even if you one day lose your way, I'ma lead you back to life.
It might have been just. It might just be because. I'll hold on to this.
Big broke, no cash stack, now class act. Used to be the one that whole class laughed at. Lost my way, that ain't get it, check it weird. Never lost faith, meaning that'll eat a chicken. God planned that age, and nothing better me. I put it down how I live in your memories.
잠잠 핑 말리오니 세게 길어대 carry my 피땀 tears. First hand, no stage, 때론 비탈 저도 일로 Mustang still with steer. Live pound to bounce back. We got the curse, 끊기님이 파운더리 음색. Call me family, I'm way vello. 정점에 날로 이어간 new history.
Everybody needs somebody. I'll be there for you.
The vocals is going hard.
Even if you one day lose your way, I'ma lead you back to life. Back to life. Cause somewhere is somewhere when you're beside me. 약속해 네 편이 돼 언제나. Just send a call and I'll call, bring you back to life. Wherever you go, I'ma follow.
Oh.
깊은 이 밤을 지켜줄게. Never solo. Even if you one day lose your way, I'ma lead you back to life.
Back to life.
Yo.
Oh.
That's crazy.
Why is it crazy?
So it might just be because we haven't reacted to them in a while. But were they always vocally strong?
Yes.
Because I feel like the songs we did react to them with was more kind of like hip hop and more.
No, KARD has always KARD has always kind of like combined hip hop or like R&B and Latin vibes, Latin beats together, and this is like classic KARD to me. Some of them are a little bit darker, some of them a little bit brighter, but then this one feels a little bit more of like that summer type celebration. But the vocals have always been strong with KARD.
Makes me happy.
Yeah,
because
it should.
because from what I remember, I chose Somin as my preliminary, kind of like a bias, and she delivered on all fronts. Like
She always does.
This song.
They both do.
And GU is surprising me with the very deep and husky. Like,
I think it's just been a while. It's been a while since we reacted to KARD. But Somin has come out with a solo or two, I think, from what I remember, and her vocals has always been something that resonated. And so the rappers are also pretty good. They should be bigger than they are, to be honest, because
there's a lot of groups like this.
With these groups, like even especially the new ones that are coming out now, that's very hip hop focused. The DMs.
All right, so this is so you've listened to Sistar, right?
Yeah. We've done Sistar a few times with our Banger vs Banger series.
So this is Hyolyn.
But we all know Hyolyn. Yeah, I guess so.
That's one way to start it.
Shaking it all.
Hush, starting from afar, you must have a crush. Look all you want, but don't you dare touch. Seems like you're on a mission. I'm your victim. Keep on wishing, please. Gonna take a lot of work to please me. Chillin' the reason not that easy. 멀리 쳤지 많이
Hey.
아픈. Boy, I'm poppin'. I got options. See your eyes, see your eyes. Blue jeans, skin tight. I know you love to slide.
Ooh.
Yeah, wrap your arms
Slide.
around me all night. Play the game and you could be mine.
Wow.
So if you wanna find me, I've been sitting pretty with my girls check. Oh, my hair to my nails check. Looking hot than hell check.
Ba-dum-ba-dum-bum. That's like a Timberlake special.
Search it up for you, well check. If you kiss, you can tell check. Whoa, I've been sitting pretty.
Hotter than hell, check.
Make it pop, make him hot till it matter true. Gotta keep him begging on his knees for the edit.
Oh, this is great.
Blue jeans, skin tight. I know you love to slide.
The vocals are going crazy.
Run me all night. Play the game and you could be mine. So if you wanna find me, I've been sitting pretty with my girls. Check. Oh, my hair to my nails. Check. Looking hotter than hell. Check. Whoa.
You say that?
Search it up for your well. Check. If you kiss, you can't tell. Check. Whoa. I've been sitting pretty with my girls. Oh, baby.
The beat is so hot.
This is what I want. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. Boy, if you really wanna find me, I've been sitting pretty with my girls. Check. Don't write checks that you're asking cash. Check. Don't write checks that you're asking. I've been sitting pretty with my girls. Check. Oh, search it up for your well. Check. If you kiss, you can't tell. Check. Whoa, I've been sitting pretty with my girls.
Wow. I am slapped in the face with that one. Hyolyn never fails to bring out the sexiness and like the empowerment of women. She's just woman.
I feel like a small part of me wants to like wash my eyes. Listen, that was.
But the vocals were on fire.
Oh yeah. Like that was definitely very sexy. Again, like with our limited exposure to Sistar, we're not truly like familiar with the upper limits or the charms of Hyolyn's vocals, and it was coming through.
Do you remember our Battle of the Voices?
Yeah, but that's not a comprehensive look at all of their vocals. All right, moving on to Deep Dive by Alice Syndrome.
Okay, this has been a long time coming.
Babe, I adore you. I'm in the background of your show. It can be lonely, but sometimes the best thing that I know. But once I'm in it,
Got vocals.
I just so addict so. If I just saw you, and I hate those pretty eyes. Let's talk about you and all that you do. Like blowing up words and they confuse me. Talk about us, we're turning to dust, fighting and screaming till we're naked. And I think you're a little bit stupid. I think you're a little bit shit. Let's talk about me and not about you. Cause I didn't know why you so comfy.
Oh man, I'm getting like Nona vibes.
You even know me. It's like your ears don't work at all. Deep dive into me through these eyes, legacy of hatred.
Oh.
Mama told me buck up just in case he verbal matrix. Rejection injected, I'm a sweetie beady behaving. No definition needed. You're just leaving me cause you're craving for now. You and all that you do, like blowing up words.
Oh, it's in English.
Cause I didn't know I had to
Ooh. Her vocal cries.
What would shoes do if I gave you cue? Flowers but never watered them. No, that's what you do. Apparently to someone you sacrifice your heart to. And I think you're a little bit stupid. I think you're a little bit shit. Let's talk about me and not about you. Cause that enough.
Ooh. That gave me a little bit of Avril Lavigne vibes too.
Did the last word say not enough? Because that wasn't enough for me.
Alice Syndrome. Okay.
I liked it a lot.
I did too. Well, that was interesting.
So we have Tyra on the vocals, Awan on the guitar, Sabine on bass, Jungmin on drums.
Tyra, some crazy vocals in there.
Tyra had some great vocals.
She had like she had those like vocal stands.
But I don't need to tell Sunday fam who I am gravitating towards.
Yeah, you're gravitating towards the basses.
The Bob. Sabine.
It's always the Bob.
Sabine, my favorite character.
Oh, so we got some interesting music. You know, we have kind of like the gypney sounds of Nona. We've got the sexy, empowering vocals of Hyolyn. Alice Syndrome gave us, that punk rock sound a little bit. Honestly gave me Avril Lavigne vibes with, I guess, with the way her vocals and the lyrics went. And then we also had KARD, giving us the Latin vibes and the R&B.
Refamiliarizing ourselves with KARD.
All very different flavors.
I honestly don't have like an immediate standout winner.
I do. I do. Yeah.
All right, tell us why you chose Hyolyn.
See your eyes, blue jeans, skin tight. I know you love to.
Yeah, I mean, it was sexy, it was powerful, and like it just like reminded me of how amazing she is with her vocals, like the runs and like and even the lyrics were like super catchy, and it just like resonated. And it's the summertime. You can't escape the heat and how hot that video was.
No, you can't.
The beginning of the video, she was literally bubbling and shaking.
Yeah, listen.
Slapping our faces around.
I'd be right there along with you had this group not edged Hyolyn out just slightly.
Ooh. Tell us why you like Alice.
Nope.
No? Oh.
My winner was KARD.
Oh, okay.
Wherever you go, I'ma follow.
Hey.
Well, here's the thing. Like, there was a refamiliarizing myself with KARD and refamiliarizing myself with Hyolyn. I had never associated strong vocals with KARD because just in my mind, what we had reacted to was like very.
It's been a while.
Was very like energy driven songs and very like hip hop driven songs and like. And I even remember the cinematic one they did where that was centered around like the hotel room and stuff like that. But like this one really like I don't even know where it came from because like I like as soon as they started singing I remembered their names.
It feels like a breath of fresh air. It was like a big surprise for you. I was like, oh yeah, KARD is pretty good. Like that's just like what I remembered. It was going through my mind. I was like, why haven't we been like listening to KARD? So yeah, I think it was between KARD and Hyolyn.
Yeah, and I think essentially they came out slightly on top because when I was watching Alice Syndrome, I was still kind of thinking about KARD. There's a small part of me that yearns for like the Dreamcatcher sound, yearns for more kind of rock based like sound beds, so that I hope that Alice Syndrome comes out with more music and they keep going and we get to see what they're capable of and what their potential stands for. But finally, Flip's winner is Hyolyn. And mine was KARD. Let us know who won for you on this Comeback Monday. We have 4 music videos and 4 artists for you to choose from. So leave those comments in the comment section below. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.